yourself heard. So how do you actually talk to these suppliers? It's easier than you think. Forget smoke signals and carrier pigeons. AliExpress has a built-in messaging system. First, find a product you like. Then look for the Contact Now button. Click it. That's it. You've just opened a direct line of communication with the supplier. Now what do you say? Keep it simple. Start with a greeting. Introduce yourself. Mention the product you're interested in. For example, "Hi there, I'm interested in your product name. Can you tell me more about it?" See? Easy peasy. You're practically a pro already. Section 4. Questions for champions getting what you need. All right, you've broken the ice. Now it's time to get down to business. Here are some key questions to ask your supplier. What's the minimum order quantity? This tells you how many units you need to buy. What's the price per unit for this quantity? Don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, everything is negotiable. What are your shipping options and costs? Important for calculating your total cost. Can you provide a sample? This lets you check the quality before committing to a large order. Remember, knowledge is power. The more information you have, the better equipped you are to make a good deal. So don't be shy. Ask away. Section 5. Keeping it going, long-term supplier relationships. Congratulations, you've found a supplier, negotiated a great price, and your order is on its way. But the journey doesn't end there. Building a strong, long-term relationship with your supplier is crucial. How do you do that? Communication, communication, communication. Respond to messages promptly. Show them you're serious and respectful of their time. Provide clear feedback on the products you receive. Good or bad, let them know. Consider ordering from the same supplier again in the future. Loyalty goes a long way in building trust. Think of your supplier like a business partner. Treat them with respect, communicate openly, and you'll reap the rewards for years to come. You might even get invited to their wedding. Okay, maybe not, but you never know.